The next concept is implicit and explicit function. Only you need to identify, that's it. That is the only importance, is you have to identify it. What is implicit, what is explicit. See, a function y is equal to f of x is said to be, any function which is expressed as y is equal to f of x is said to be implicit function if x, implicit function of x, if the dependent variable y cannot be expressed in terms of the independent variable x only. What is the meaning of this? Suppose if I say f of x is there, one function. This is completely expressed in only in x. Suppose if I am writing f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3 plus something. If you see this here, like it is, this function is completely expressed in x. But if you see another function f of x is equal to, I wrote xy whole cube, okay, xy whole cube plus xy plus sin y plus ln x. If I write like this, this is expressed in terms of x and y. So when a function is expressed in the terms of x and y, then that function is called as implicit function. If it is expressed only in terms of x, the function that is called as explicit function. This is only the funda you need to remember. Not much about this. No need to buttify this, any of this, like what we can say, definitions. Independent is always, x is called independent, y is called dependent. Why y is called dependent? Because x is the input, y is the output. Y is depend on x. So y is equal to, you are writing na, y is equal to x. Means y is dependent where? X. Y is equal to x square plus 2. Y is depending where? X. So always you remember that x is a independent and y is a dependent. So what is he said here? The simple thing is that said, if a function y is equal to f of x is said to be implicit of x, if the dependent variable y cannot be expressed in terms of x, y is not able to express in terms of x. That time, if I cannot write y is completely y, a single y in terms of complete x, so that time we can say that is implicit function. In this case, I cannot write x, only x. I cannot write y is equal to only x. I cannot write y is equal to only x. If I am not able to write y is equal to only x, that is called implicit function. If I am able to write y is equal to only x, means in this case y is equal to x cube plus x plus 2. In this case e power x plus sin x. In this case x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. I can express f of x is nothing but y. Y is I am going to express in terms of independent. So then I can say that only independent, then I can say that is as explicit function. Otherwise it is implicit function. Did you understand this point? Note down. Explicit implicit function has not bigger role. Only you need to know identification. Means how to identify explicit or implicit, that's it. Terminology you should know. Sometimes they use the terminology in JEE. So you should understand. They said implicit means you have to take only in x. Like, sorry, explicit means only in x. Like that you have to get idea. And now the question is, find the domain of x is equal to 2y minus y square. You have to find the domain of this. Now what I have to do here, when I want to find the domain of this, I should express this is completely in y. Are you getting it? I had to express this completely in y. If this is now x is equal to y is mixing here. So what you do here, completely if you express in y, then this domain you can find out. So what you do here, x is equal to, this is I can write as minus y square plus 2y. Okay, then x minus x is equal to y square minus 2y. Okay, actually I am making in this is positive y square. So here I wrote x is equal to minus y square plus 2y and minus x is equal to y square minus 2y. Yesterday one question I explained, na? That is G circle F whole inverse question. At the time what I have done, I made it y is a perfect square method. Perfect square. If I make perfect square, then this will be works. So that is I am going to do now. So what I write here, this is equal to minus x is equal to, I have to make y subject, na? Square is there, I have to make it a perfect square. So what I do here, y square minus 2y, can I write plus 1 and then minus 1? Can I write plus 1 minus 1? Why I made it this? To make it a perfect square number. I have to make y as a subject. Y should be single degree. Right? Single degree I have to make. So what I do here, this is implies this minus 1 I will send this side. Okay, that will become what? Plus 1. So what I get here? 1 minus x, no? 1 minus x. Okay, 1 minus x. This is equal to, this is can I write here? Y minus 1 whole square. So now what I can write, a square, if I send this side, square root it becomes. Square root of 1 minus x is equal to y minus 1. Now what I am going to get y value here? Now y is equal to, I got 1, this minus 1 send that side, plus 1 plus under root of 1 minus x. Now this function looking proper. Now this question looking proper. Now function looking proper. So y is equal to means f of x. Y is nothing but f of x. So if y is equal to, you got under root of 1 plus under root of 1 minus x. So you want to find the domain. What is the rule should be applied? Square root should be greater than or equal to 0. So can I write under root of 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0? No, that is the condition. Na? So if it is should be defined, then square root should be greater than or equal to 0. Na? Right? So can I use the under root of 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0? So squaring on both sides, 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Right? If I multiply with minus sign, x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So x less than or equal to 1. So x less than or equal to 1 means what? Minus infinity to 1 closed is the domain of this function. You need to understand only this one, but I explained if you have a question like this, how to modify this. Understand? Note down. Now, even function and odd function. What is even function? What is odd function? Any function is given. For example, f of x is equal to, you have seen x square. Okay, f of x is equal to x square. If I replace, in the place of x is minus x. If I replace in the place of x minus x, what I get here? F of minus x is equal to minus x whole square. What is the value of this? This is also x square. It means the x square is itself the function f of x. X square is itself f of x, na? X square is itself f of x. What I was taken, f of x is equal to what I have took? X square. F of minus x, I got x square means f of x. Means f of minus x is equal to f of x. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, such functions are called even functions. Okay, such functions are called which functions? Even functions. I will give the definition. Wait. Just I am explaining first. So next let us take another function, f of x is equal to x cube. Okay, I take f of x is equal to x cube. If I keep f of minus x here in this, so minus x whole cube I get. It means minus will be out. Minus x cube. Minus of this x cube can be written as f of x. So what you have understood here, whenever I replace f of minus x is equal to, if I get f of minus of f of x, then the function is called as odd function. And don't take it, this is very simple, looks like that, but it's not like. So based on this even and odd function, JEE asks the questions. Okay, and major role is played in definite integration. So definite integration at that time it is important. Okay, definite integrals time it has a major role. Okay, most of the questions of JEE in definite integration, even odd function based questions will be there, and even in the functions also we'll discuss in detail more questions. Okay, so do you understand what is odd function, what is even function? Now I'll tell you definition, you note down. Okay, write down. If I'll write here shortly, if f of minus x is equal to f of x for all x belongs to domain, for all x belongs to domain, is called even function, is called even function, is called even function, right? Another one, odd function, if f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x for all x belongs to D, domain, D means domain, is odd function. See, I am giving a simple language, I don't want to make it a difficult way. It's a simple language to understand.